Guys, look where I am this morning. Can you believe I'm actually at Asda? I haven't been here for months. I haven't been here in forever. Anyways, oops. Hope you guys can see me properly. Anyways, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is that you are watching. Yes, so oh my gosh, I can't believe how much in here changed. Like, they made this aisle so wide. Halloween. Oh my gosh. So yes, I'm here inside of Asda. I haven't been in Asda for months because, as you know, I get my shopping delivered to my house. So oh my gosh, everything's changed. It used to be clothes right here, like they have home stuff right here. It just used to be clothes alongside here. Interesting. Yeah, well, here we are. I actually need to get a few things for it feels really chilly in here. Let me walk past the candles. I don't need candles. I don't need candles. Let me see what's down here. I actually came to get a few stuff for River and Rain because the place is getting so cold now, and I swear I need some bodysuits and stuff like that, some onesies. It's like every time I came, they didn't have, it's like they don't have, it's like everybody decided to have a baby. The same time I decided to have a baby for both River and Rain. They like never have her size and they never have River's size. Or maybe they will today, but we'll see. I did ask ShéKayla if she wanted to come with me, but she declined. So here I am. Sean is at home with all of them, so that's all right. Just let me come and do my thing stress-free, right? Not having to tell River, don't touch that. Come here. Like, yeah. I'm actually ordering a lot of stuff online, but yeah, I need to get some of these. Oh, this is 12 to 18 months, 9 to 12 months. Oh, nice. So good. So I'm gonna get, how much is for this? £4 for a pack of 3. So I'm going to get 2 packs. So this is long sleeve. I wonder if they have short sleeve as well, because I'll get one short sleeve one. I need to scan those. I need some of these as well, but probably should try and get the colored ones. Do they have colored ones? Shouldn't have to always sleep in just white. She could sleep pretty too in her pink, you know. I want some for River. River gets so big, but I like to see him in these. I like to see him in these still, you know. I can't accept that my baby boy is all grown up though, you know. What's wrong with me? Because, you know, they have 24 to 36 months. River is like 27 months old, you know. Yeah. So technically, I still can. Yeah, I wanted to get some short sleeve ones for her as well. Look like they don't have though. Guys, what I tell you, I could never find. So I'm buying 9 to 12 months for Rain. So this is 9 to 12. The package is open, right? This is the only one we have. And I'm like seeing this back here, and look, people are so trifling, right? Why is it that the ones that I want have been like broken into? Like, look at this. People are just horrible. Like, I mean, I'm gonna take it because obviously is there 7? It's like 7 for £9, so it is 7 in there. I'm not a big fan of unicorns, you know, but I like the colors, you know. They're all like magical stuff and whatever. I don't do the whole magical type of thing, but I mean, it is what it is. So oh boy, let's keep looking. So I need to find like the yellow, because you see the once in their kids color, you don't have to be looking through to see, you know. So 9 to 12 months is yellow, so that's what I know to look out for. See, every single time I find 9 to 12, it's been broken into. It's actually so annoying. So they don't have any colorful nothing, you know, the sleep suits. So I guess I'm just gonna have to buy the white after all. £6 for 3. Does it have like the thing so if she starts walking, she can walk in it? Don't know. Let me see, because normally they have they always open the 9 to 12. See what I mean? This one is already open. I guess I can have a look to see. Maybe that's what the parents be checking for, to see if they have the jagged, what you call it, you know, on the feet, so they could walk it instead of sliding. Like, it's whatever it's called. Yeah, so it does. This is what I'm talking about. So the feet is like that, so they could, because you know, Rainy could be walking any day now. I hardly found anything that I needed, but I did get, yeah, I got stuff for rain. That's simple. I didn't really find anything for river. But I bought a whole chicken. It's just in there, a large one. And I'm just looking for like seasonings here because I love these seasonings. And I just saw this honey chili chicken. So I'm thinking that I could possibly just get 2 of these and I can just season the whole chicken and cook it like that. A seasoned blend with honey, chilies, and lemon. I think if I add this to the whole chicken and like roast it tomorrow, that would actually be so good. Don't they have like for whole chicken like roast? Like special seasonings for like roast chicken? Slow cooked chicken, roast turkey, roast chicken gravy. No, I don't want that. Chicken and leek. Yes, I'll just get these. I'm gonna try this. I love anything honey chili wise, so I'll just scan 2 of these and I'll just put, see, £1.10 is for it, and I'll just put that I'm getting 2. Yeah, that's it. And just add that. I actually have my rice. They haven't had rice in a minute. I keep buying like the Asda rice and stuff, and the last 2 times I ordered it, they didn't have. So let me see if I can probably find maybe another rice. I don't even know. Oh, I do need a vegetable oil though. Let's get one of these. Excuse me, I'm looking for the Asda basmati rice. Where can I find it?
Basmati rice?
Yeah, the Asda brand.
It's not on this aisle.
I didn't see. See the work, I don't even know where it is. Yeah, I didn't see it. So he was helping me, and then he said, I don't know if we have it in stock at the moment, and he's like gone. Oh well, so I go. I'll just look to see if I find it for myself. I think it's meant to be down here, but the shelf is empty, so they don't have it. Why don't they? What y'all doing? Okay, so I'm gonna have to go and check those other brands and just suck it up and pick one. Layla it is. Layla, I hope you're nice. All right, I'm gonna get going now. Let me go cash out. Yeah, because I actually have my eyebrow appointment. Do you know, right? I actually want to microblade my eyebrows, and I did find someone, but the problem that I'm having is that I am breastfeeding. So she asked if I'm pregnant or breastfeeding, and I said, well, I'm breastfeeding at the moment, and she said you can't do it because I think microblading is somewhat like of a tattoo, so it's like a semi-permanent brow that lasts for over a year, 2 years or something like that. So it saves having to pencil in my brows, and you know, so I wanted to just do it. It is pretty expensive though. It's like 150 pounds and up. So but I am willing to do that, but I'm still feeding Rain. I'm still breastfeeding, so as soon as we wrap up this breastfeeding thing, then I can get my eyebrows microbladed. But until then, I'm just gonna go and get them threaded now. Yeah, I can't believe how bad Coke Zero tastes. I've never ever had Coke Zero. It tastes so disgusting. Suppose I had put ice in it. Thank God I didn't put ice. It just tastes like I'm drinking flavored water. I don't know what it is, but it got so cold that I pulled from my jacket. Thank God I had this jacket in the car. You see how nice and sunny it is? It's nice and sunny, but it is absolutely freezing. I'm waiting for my eyebrow lady to open the door. I come by her house. Her business is by her house, by the way. Yeah, I've been coming to her ever since I moved to England, for those of you guys that don't know. Okay, this is me done. Oh my God, I always feel so refreshed when I do my eyebrows. Look at that. They look so nice and sharp. Time to head home. Why is it so cold today? Oh my goodness. It's very, very cold today for some reason. Let's head home now so I can go and feed my baby girl. I'm excited about cooking this thing tomorrow. So what I wanted to do was, I was thinking about making a British roast. But I settled on, like, I think they do use chicken and stuff, but I think they do use like beef as well or whatever and other things. But I still want my rice and peas. You know, us Jamaicans, Sunday dinner time, it's like rice and peas is like a must. And I think when they do a roast, so a roast consists of whatever meat it is that you're gonna roast, right? Oh, they're blocking me in. I don't think I can. Yeah, so it consists of chicken or whatever it is you're gonna put in, and you basically just put everything in to roast together. So like if it's a whole chicken, you put the potatoes and whatever vegetables, and they have something called, I can't remember what they put, but you know, you put everything, so it's like a one pot one dish type of thing, and they all bake, like roast together in the oven or whatever. So yeah, I'm not gonna put all those things in there. I'll see how it goes, but whole chicken is what it is. So that's probably when you guys are gonna see me tomorrow. Hello my beautiful people, hello. That's a Miss Rachel type of tune. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Miss Rachel stuck in my head, y'all. If y'all have a toddler and a baby, you know who Miss Rachel is. Anyways, so today is Sunday. It is the very next day. You know, I took you guys in the supermarket yesterday, and I said I wanted to try something different, and I did decide on like a whole chicken because it's been forever since I've baked a whole chicken, just because it takes so much time baking it in my oven. And you know, if Sean is at work on the weekends or something, he's not at home, or ShéKayla's with her dad or whatever, I just can't divide my time with the oven and the babies, and it's just a lot. So I am so happy that today I am going to bake the whole chicken in my brand new Cosori air fryer. Guys, this air fryer is a game changer, I tell you, no lies. So you know, some air fryers come with is like one single basket, but it's small, so it's not big enough to cook a whole chicken in it. And then you know, you have two. Y'all know my previous air fryer that I had as well. Shout out to Cosori because it was their brand as well. But you know, it had two baskets. This one, as you can see when I did the unboxing, it is just one grand zone, so it's one large basket big enough to fit a whole chicken in it. So you can do like a whole Sunday roast, you can do ribs and everything, because it's just one big basket, which you can still divide as well. There is a divider that you put in the middle, and you can use the air fryer on, they can use one zone, so it's two zones, so you can still use it to cook smaller portions of stuff. You don't have to like turn on the entire air fryer. And what I do like and excited about today is that they have upgraded it a bit, because this air fryer just launched in September, so it's a brand new air fryer, and it's actually upgraded with 4 new heaters. So you know, like the grills, I call them grills, heaters. In the other air fryer, you know, you can have, most air fryers just have one, so you have to flip the meat or whatever it is that you're doing so that it can cook evenly. This one does because of the 4 heaters. Yeah, so no more flipping, because usually, you know, it tells you when to shake. That's the term on the air fryer, shake. So you have to turn it, but no, the chicken will cook evenly and it'll be done in no time. So I have the VSync app. That's the app that you use for the Cosori air fryers and that, and you can that's what I'm excited about. I'm actually going to use that feature so I can start the air fryer and make changes, all of that, stop it, check on how long I've got left, so I can be in the living room dealing with my babies and that without having to get up to see how much longer I have on the air fryer and stuff like that. So that's really exciting that I can actually check it out by using my phone. You can get a bunch of recipes from the app as well, which is really, really cool. Look at me getting all excited to cook a whole chicken, to do a whole roast. So let's go and roast this chicken in my brand new Cosori Dual Blaze Twin Fry air fryer. Let me go and cook my meal, y'all. I'm gonna do all the prepping off camera, and I will show you guys the progress of it all, you know, when I'm putting it in and all of that stuff, just so you guys can see, because I am super excited to be cooking this Sunday meal. I'm gonna cook rice and peas and all that stuff. You know, us Jamaicans love that sort of thing on Sundays. We do our rice and peas. I might do some coleslaw. Gutted that I couldn't get plantain to buy, but that's all right, we'll see, because I'm gonna put potatoes in there as well, and carrots and whatever. So it's a roast, it's a Sunday roast, so let's go cook the roast. So as you can see it, I got my chicken in there, my potatoes and carrots and that, and you can see that the basket is quite deep. It fits the whole chicken in there. Let me just show you from underneath. So when I'm pushing it in, as you can see, so it's very high so it won't touch or anything, and yeah, it fits perfectly. But before I cook it, I wanted to show you guys some of the features that the air fryer has. So let me just turn it on from now, and this is what I was talking about with zone 1, zone 2, and grand zone. So obviously the grand zone is to cook like what I'm cooking now, so to use the entire basket. And if I just need to use zone 1, then only this left side will turn on and not the right side. And you put the divider in as I'm showing you right now. This is how you divide it, and so you can just use zone 1, or you can do zone 2 for the right one. And you can also sync cook. So whatever is in zone 1 and 2, which is basically the grand zone, you can just cook them to finish at the same time. Or let's say I have some maybe chicken wings in zone 1 and I've got some potatoes in zone 2. I can hit sync and they will cook together and finish at the same time. Basically, that's how it works. So we have the air fry option, we have roast, which is what I'm going to do today. We have bake, grill, reheat, and dry. So I guess you could put like, what you call it, like raisins or anything in there, like little fruits that you want to dry out, or you can do plantain chips in there, stuff like that. So yeah, it's quite cool. I'm going to start this up though using the app. So I'm going to turn it off right now, and then we're going to jump to using the app to turn this on just to see how it works. We're actually using it for the first time today, so we're gonna see it together. I've got my phone right here. It might be a little bit blown out, but I'm gonna hit start cooking. As you can see, it comes on, and now I just need to press the start button. Wait for a few seconds, please. App will automatically jump to the page after you press the button on the device. So we're gonna press start. Start. And now it's cooking. So as you can see, it says grand zone right there, and it's on the roast option, and it's going to roast for 55 minutes at 190 degrees. And yeah, we have it here in the app where I can hit stop cooking, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, let's see. So guys, it is all done. Those are my potatoes. This is the chicken, and don't roast me in the comments. Literally, it is, I kind of left it in for longer than I should have, but I did come to check on it and realize that it did not need the 55 minutes, and I'll show you guys anyways when I share out my food and everything. But kosori, y'all did y'all thing. I absolutely love this, and I was able to cook this whole chicken in the air fryer. And guys, just to show you guys that, ooh, there it is. Just to show you that the other side is also done, as you can see. So yes guys, I am super happy with the outcome of my roast today. I am going to plate it up and show you guys and everything. If you would like to purchase this air fryer, it is the Kosori Dual Blaze Twin Fry on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description, and also it's pinned in the comment section to go and cop yours. I hope you guys go and grab it, because I am telling you, you will not regret it. Because I love it, absolutely love it. And yeah, thank you to Kosori for sponsoring this portion of the video. It's my aunt's, guys. So ShéKayla decided that she was gonna make some cookies, so I am just helping. I've never made cookies before, but I'm thinking, well, she says I'm doing it right. Just roll it in a ball and then it flattens out. I was flattening it out before, you know. I was like roll it and doing it like dumplings. So see me here like but she's like, no, you just roll it and put it in a ball. So that's what I'm doing, as you can see. So this is what we got going on. They're all like uneven, but I can squinch them up some more.
They're gonna spread.
Oh, like I sure we can just cut them like, because we have a lot.
I'll make some like cookie dough then.
Yeah, but this is a lot still, so that's what I was saying, like, oh, okay, all right. And just so. That's it then. Bigger one could have fit in here though. This is ridiculous. Man, bigger one. It's absolutely ridiculous. So guys, this is what the cookie came out like. Let me hold one and show you. Doesn't look too bad. And then we have this in here, like cookie dough. Yeah. Hi, Jeannie. Yeah. Say hi, Boom Boom. I could not close off this vlog until Boom Boom made an appearance, right? Because I don't think Boom Boom made her appearance in today's vlog. So guys, let me show you guys the food. I didn't show you guys the food, but I just went to feed her. Right, Rainy? Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, so I just went to feed her. Rainy, what are you doing? I just went to feed her, and now we're going to have our dinner, so I'll pop it right here on the screen. This is what we're looking like. As you can see, the chicken, the rice and peas. We've got some cucumbers and tomato on the side and everything. Ready, don't. Mwah. Yeah, so that is our delicious meal. And so we're ending the vlog now because we are ready. We're ending the vlog. Boom Boom, you're gonna show them you're beating me up. We're saying goodbye to the people. Say bye, guys. Say bye-bye. Oh, Rainy is very tired right now, aren't you? Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for tuning into today's vlog. You know, I appreciate you guys as always. Thank you for tuning in. Rainy is tired, so we are closing it out. Love you guys as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. See you in the next vlog.